In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the chosen one and adjust it, or tap on the switcher next to one of them. When you finished adjusting all of those, scroll down a tiny bit, click on More Typing Options and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!